Hey guys, so I'm just in my living room. I have my party lights on. It's like these really cool lights that kind of make um, lights on the ceiling and stuff. And I have Snow White here and Princess here. And I'm just currently watching videos about just topics, and this guy is talking about the shooting in Uvalde. And I wanted to make a quick video about the shooting. My heart is breaking for like all the innocent lives gone in Uvalde. No joke, I am about 100 miles from Uvalde. I live in a suburb of San Antonio, and Uvalde is not that far. I've been to Uvalde one time. Um, it's not like I go there a lot, but my mom and I have been there once. And yeah, it's a really small town. It's like a country, like I would consider it part of the country. It's like a country, kind of a country town. And I think it's really close to the Mexican border from what I hear. I'm not very familiar with Uvalde, but I know we are pretty close to Uvalde, like 100 miles, which isn't far. And when I was doing Amazon a couple of days ago, today's Thursday technically, like early in the morning Thursday, when I was on my Amazon route Tuesday afternoon on the way home, I was checking my email when we were stopped, and I saw the email and I couldn't believe it. And I said, okay, where did this happen? Like, I was thinking of some huge city like Chicago, New York, Los Angeles, like just some really big city. And when it said Uvalde, I was like, what? Oh my goodness, like Uvalde, that's so close to us, Mom. And my mom was in the car too. But I could not believe it. And I am just so sad, and I've been crying, like off and on. I have been crying since I've heard about it, especially hearing the stories of the children and seeing videos of the children and stuff. It's so, 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 so sad. And I am going to include a video I found at the end of this video on Facebook of this little girl that was killed in the shooting, and she made a video for her dad who couldn't be there for her birthday, I assume earlier this year or last year. And it was just so sweet. Like, I started crying because like her dad is gonna have that video to watch. Like, that's the only time he'll get to hear his daughter's voice. And it is just so sad. And I'm literally praying for Uvalde. I know thoughts and prayers, it could be so cliche, but when I pray, I do my best to pray strongly, and I really, really care. And I'm so upset about what happened, and we need change, you guys. We need change, gun reform. We need it. No one should be able to buy a rifle, period. Like, they're not going to do it. They're not going to buy it because they want it as a self-defense. A rifle, like, what 18-year-old teenager needs to buy a rifle? He was only 18. Like, he wasn't even 21. So he was an adult, but he wasn't like 21, which is like, I think gun laws should be changed where you have to be at least 21 to buy one. And I hate guns, guys. Like, I never have carried a gun in my life. I've never even seen a gun in my life, and I don't want to. I really don't. I'm scared of guns. I know people use them for self-protection, self-defense, but it seems like people are just shooting anyone for anything these days. And they're not even buying a gun for the right reasons. And that's one of the reasons why I think it's so, like, tragic. But anyways, I just wanted to give my thoughts on it. It's just sickening. And I really hope that the families get all the assistance and all the help that they need, because they're going to need it, you know? They are going to need it. I don't know. I'm going to share, like I said, I'm going to share as well a picture, like a little collage and the video of one of the young victims that was killed. And these students that were killed, they were little kids, guys, little boys and girls. Like, I think the age range was like 8 to 10, or 8, yeah, like 8 to 10. Oh, so it's like third and fourth grade, pretty much. Well, or like third through fifth grade, I believe, but definitely like all elementary school age kids. And I mean, it's just so sad. So I'm asking all of you, like, pray for Uvalde, pray for Uvalde, Texas. Like, a lot of people have never even heard of Uvalde before. Like, it's, I'm in San Antonio, right? So, like, everyone's heard of San Antonio, Austin, Dallas, Houston. But Uvalde, it's like such a little town. I mean, it's like, I think there's less than 15,000 people that live there. Maybe like 10 to 14,000. I don't know the exact amount of people that live there, but it's not big at all. And, hi, Snow White. I just ask that you keep Uvalde in your prayers, guys. And God bless everybody. And, if this is bothering you, talk about it. It's okay to talk about it. It's okay to mourn people you don't know. And the teachers, I read that they were like heroes. Like, they took the matter into their own hands. They protected those kids. They shielded them, and they still got killed. And I heard one of the little girls, she tried to call 911, and the killer shot her when she was calling 911. The stories are heartbreaking. Like, I mean, it's like something out of a horror movie. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to make this video and send my condolences and my prayers. And our community, like, San Antonio's the biggest city that's closest to Uvalde. So a lot of people from San Antonio, like the news people, have been covering the story, going to Uvalde because we are so close to them in distance. And yeah, so when you think of Uvalde, the closest major city to them is San Antonio, where I live. So, okay, guys, well, thanks for watching, and please keep Uvalde in your thoughts and prayers again. Okay, bye, guys. Peace. Take care.
Dad, I love you so much, and I wish you could come to my birthday, but Dad, you gotta be at work, so I made this video, and my mom could over show you the surprise she made me, and when you get out work, I'll be there for you. I love you, Dad. And you can send me a video too. I'll be happy. Like I'm always am. I love you, Dad. Bye.